Hey everybody, Sal Governale, big meals, small places. Hey, did you know that there is a pasta made from potatoes? I'm not kidding you. It ain't about French fries today, folks. Check it out.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic, Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Hey everybody, Sal Governale, big meals, small places. Today we're making one of my favorite pastas, gnocchi. It's real simple. You could buy gnocchi frozen or you could buy it fresh. It boils in minutes, and then after it boils, you can add sauces to it, add whatever you want. Today we're going to saute it. I can't even say saute. Today we're going to saute it in a beautiful butter sauce with peas. So, if you love that recipe that you're about to see and more recipes that are on my page, be sure to subscribe. And by the way, leave some comments, leave a bunch of likes. You guys have been doing that. We've been reading it, and we really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get to the gnocchi. Today we're making sauteed gnocchi in a cheesy butter and garlic sauce with peas. Absolutely delicious. So, olive oil in your pan, 3 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. Let that get nice and brown. Not too brown, but a beautiful brown. Then add 3 cloves of garlic. Get that golden brown. From there, throw in your gnocchi. Let that gnocchi sit, salt and pepper on top of it. Let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes so it gets nice and crispy and brown. When you turn it, you're going to see that beautiful caramelization. Cook the gnocchi based on the package. 3 pounds is what I'm using here. From that point, you're going to add a little sprinkle of thyme. Just a light sprinkle. Then 1 cup of Pecorino Romano cheese. Give that a stir. Get that caramelization incorporated. And then from there, throw in 1 cup of the hot pasta water. Whoa, look at that smoke. Now that pasta water is going to make that cheese get nice and gooey. Then I throw in 1 cup of frozen peas, which you can see through the smoke. Just mix that for 1 more minute and you're done. And there it is. Cheesy gnocchi in a butter garlic sauce with Pecorino Romano and peas. Enjoy.